In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record refunds in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to document a refund so your books stay accurate and your reports reflect what actually happened in your business. Let's start from the main dashboard in QuickBooks Online. When you're ready to record a refund to a customer, go up to the top left and click on the plus new button. This is where you create most transactions, like invoices, expenses, and in this case, a refund. From the menu that appears, look for and select Refund Receipt. This tells QuickBooks that money is going out of your business back to a customer, but it's tied to a sale you previously made. Once the refund receipt window opens, the first thing you want to do is choose the correct customer from the drop-down menu. Take a moment to make sure you select the same customer that was on the original sale. This keeps all of their history together so you can easily see what they bought and what was refunded if you ever need to check later. Next, move to the Refund From field. Here, you'll pick the bank account or credit card account the money is coming from. For example, if you're sending the refund from your checking account, choose that checking account. If you issued the refund through a payment processor that's linked to a specific account, select that one. Right beside that, enter the date of the refund. It's usually best to use the actual date the refund was issued so your bank reconciliation and financial reports stay aligned. Now it's time to add the products or services being refunded. In the product or service column, choose the same items that were on the original sale, then fill in the details like the quantity and the amount. If you're only refunding part of the sale, adjust the quantity or the amount so it matches what you actually return to the customer. If your business charges sales tax, make sure you select the correct tax and sales tax options here as well. This ensures that both income and tax are reversed properly in your records. Once you've reviewed everything and it looks correct, go to the bottom right and select Save and Close. QuickBooks will now record the refund, reduce your income, and update your bank account balance based on the account you selected, and that's all there is to it.